Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have 7,121 square meters. It's a clean title located in Barangay Mandawa, Bien Unido, Bohol. Very close from Poblacion, Bien Unido, Bohol. So, malapit lang ito guys sa Poblacion. So, next barangay is the Poblacion already. So, all are flat terrain with 7 fruit-bearing mango trees. Then 1 papaya. And it has also a deep well, so no problem with the water, although there is a line connection, water line, but in the area water line connection, but there is already a deep well in the property. So presently the property is open, no tenant, and this is ideal for residential or even a resort development. Bienvenido is a small town with 15 barangays. If I'm not mistaken, it has 8 islands. So, may 8 isla na sakop na paloob sa itong Bien Unido Bohol, and 7 mainlands barangays. Then there was already ongoing construction bridge directly to Talibon. Instead na mo parang nag-oval papuntang, for example, galing Bienvenido to Talibon, kasi kadalasan mga tao magpunta sa Talibon. So ang ginagawa usual is the road going to Bienvenido is really very far, because parang naka-oval yan. Pero kung directly going to Talibon, parang shortcut. So there is a shortcut supposedly, but right now it will be happen, no? Pwede na mangyari kasi may ginawang bridge ang gobyerno. So direct na. History, Bien Unido was a part of Talibon Bohol. So Talibon Bohol din yan guys, ang Bien Unido. Tulad ng Trinidad at San Miguel, it's part of Talibon Bohol before. So it became a town. So ito po yun, no? Fruit bearing tree. Mango trees. Mahal ng kilo. So from Tagbilaran to Bienvenido is around 3 hours drive via bus, or 2 hours and a half, or 2 hours via van. So there are 2 types of transportation, van and what you call that, the bus. Kung gusto kang magmadali, sakay ka ng van. Kung gusto kang hindi masyadong madali, yung bus. Of course, if you have your own transportation vehicle. So itong Bien Unido guys, meron din itong beach, mga hindi po yung brown beach. Ayun po. Ito po yung ang deep well guys, no? Ito po talaga yung deep well. So there's no problem with the water, no? So how much is that? 7,121 times 800. But since the owner is on rush selling, maybe we can still negotiate the price. Kasi gusto nilang madaling mabinta. Sabi ko, kung ganyan ang presyo nyo, so it's okay, no problem. But if the people will ask for negotiation, maybe you can negotiate with each other. So that is my statement to the owner. The owner is widow. So, siya lang ang magpirma sa papeles. Kasi wala na si Mister. At nakalagay rin sa kanyang is widow sa titulo. So, yan po. Malaking flat terrain po. Yan. So, maganda naman. Of course. See, nandito si Kalabaw. So, next to Bienvenido is Ubay, the progressive town. Like Talibon, both are progressive town. Then, it has so many improvements. Like Trinidad is also getting progress or progressive already because there is a school. So, the Trinidad Municipal College, yan po ay libre mag-aral. At saka mga top-notcher din yung mga mag-aral nila sa board exam. Kaya maraming sa Trinidad nagpunta, nag-aral. At saka ito ay adjacent lang guys. So, adjacent lang sa Trinidad. So, yan po. So, ito pala yung mga, this is private beach, no? Pero ito talaga yung mga beaches dito. Brown sand yan. Yan po. Mga brown sand. So, just in case, no, you want to have a swimming, no problem, no? Gusto kang maligo ng dagat. So, ito po yon. May maraming mga beach diyan. At maganda naman. Kadalasan, according to the owner of the beach, ang maliligo yung mga neighboring town. Like Trinidad, San Miguel, Daguhoy minsan. At saka yung mga kalapit yan. So, maraming maliligo. So, ito naman ay yung diving camp. So, dito sila mag-organize pag may planong mag-diving doon sa yung mga, kasi may diving spot sila sa Hingutanan. So, dito sila mag-briefing or may sarili din itong swimming pool kung may magpaturo ng how to swim dito po. At ito ay government po yan. So, very nice po ang Bienvenido din. Kahit maliit na town o lungsod, pero potential naman siya. So, yan po. Yan po si ako. So, inaayos pa nila yung swimming pool, no? Inaayos pa. So, see. Maganda rin sabihin Bienvenido, guys. Hindi lang masyadong pero yan, improving na. Ito na po yung ongoing ongoing construction ng connection bridge Talibon and Bienvenido. So, around 1 kilometer away from the highway in Bienvenido, or 1 or 2. Then to the town proper in Bienvenido, from here is around 3 kilometers. Yun lang po. Malapit lang talaga. Pag mag-shortcut na to, paglabas mo dyan, San Isidro, Talibon. So, wala. Next San Isidro is the poblasyon. So, ang laking shortcut, no? Yun ang maganda dito. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. Again, The property we are selling is 7,121 square meters with a clean title, 800 pesos per square meter, located in Barangay Mandawa, Bien Unido, Bohol. Thank you.